Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to the Soldiers of Light. So I'm very grateful to have you here today with me. Today, I want to do this special short reading for you. I have a feeling that most of you felt that we had this special day recently, which was 22nd of February. 2022. So this date is so special, is so powerful. We have so many number twos there, and 22 is a master number. So I feel it so strongly with my intuition that there is this new energy that is opening for all of us, for the collective. So as you can see, I have these cards right in front of me. I already shuffled them with my purest intention, and I'm asking the Spirit, what is the new door opening with this special date, 22nd February 2022. So whenever you find this video, it is a timeless reading, and that means you're meant to hear it. So what is the new door that is opening for you? I'm going to pull 3 cards, and I want you to choose one of them. So what is the new door opening for you, for your highest good? So I already feel this card. I've got 1. What is the new door? I feel this one. And let me pick one more. Okay, I'll go for this one. So let's see. We have 3 cards for you. And I want you to choose gate 1, the door number 1, door number 2, and door number 3. Of course, you can choose all of them. So let's start with door number 1. Okay, door number 1. What is the new door that is opening for you, for your highest good? Okay, what is the new door? So we have a trust. So what I feel from this card for you, that this new door is opening for you. It's this new inner strength which comes from you. Your inner strength will be guiding you to trust in the universe, to trust in yourself. You are going to feel this powerful energy, very connected to the divine, very connected to your higher self. And whatever was holding you back, that you couldn't trust fully before, you couldn't trust yourself, you couldn't trust the universe, now you are embodying this new energy, this powerful energy, and that will allow you to trust fully, to feel connected so powerfully. As you're going to feel so one with the whole universe, and because you're going to trust, that will give you this new inner strength, new potential within you, and that will make you feel even more connected to the universe, more connected to your higher self. So this fresh new energy that you're going to feel, it will only guide you towards what is the highest good for you. You will just know what is your path, What do you want to do? If there's anything what you want to change, you're going to change that, because you simply trust and you know you have this power, you have this inner strength, you have so much unlimited potential. So all this amazing energy that you're going to feel with this new door opening for you. So I'm very happy for you if you chose this card. Thank you so much for being here, and I'm going for card number 2. So let's see, what is the new door opening for you? Wow, so we have a career. So you are, if you are already building your career, if you are already doing what you love, you are climbing up this ladder. So there is going to be lots of achievements, more success, more inner growth. There will be so many opportunities for you with your career. For those who are feeling uncertain, who were feeling uncertain about your career, you are going to find your career. You're going to find what fulfills you, and you will step towards this career. You will choose the right career for you, something what is truly making you feel so fulfilled. You are just going to follow, you're going to listen to your own intuition, and there is lots of success. It doesn't matter if you are already building your career, or if you are going to be new to your career, but there's going to be lots of success, lots of new opportunities, lots of new inner growth. You're going to feel very empowered. Yeah, so that was your door if you chose door number 2. I'm very happy for you, and I'm going for door number 3. So what is the new door opening for you? Wow, home. So for those who want to move, to change their house, who want to have their new property, who are considering about the new home, this new door is opening for you, because you are going to find this new beautiful home, which will make you feel so secure, so in peace and harmony. It will feel for you so wonderful, because you found this perfect home which you was searching. And for others, if it's not to do with the home, I can feel that for some of you, this home is to do with finding home in your soul, because we all are looking for this belonging feeling, this inner feeling that we want to feel like home in our heart, in our soul. So something is going to change for you. You're going to find this feeling inside your heart, inside your soul, something that is making you feel like home. It could be a job, it could be people, it could be just you doing something what you love, and you know this is home for your soul. This is home for your soul's evolution, something what is really making you feel so happy, so fulfilled. And yeah, so this door, this new door, this fresh new energy that you're going to feel, it will make you feel like home. You will feel safe, protected. And I'm very happy for you if you chose this card. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this short reading. And I wish you all the best. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.